Azat Maksum is set to go down against CJ Vergara. Looks like a great fight for Azat Maksum. I hope he'll bounce back daily this time, decision specialist, and at lower levels, low-tier fighters, he was finishing the majority of them, but in the UFC, you're fighting beasts. He barely defeated Tyson Nam, then lost to Charles Johnson. CJ Vergara is a tough guy, 12'5'1", 5'6", 68 inches of reach. Fighting out of San Antonio, Texas, he lost to Asul Mabayev, but defeated Daniel Lacerda, Vinicius Salvador, lost to Tatsuro Taira and Day Osborne, defeated Clayton Rodriguez. He is a very tough fighter. The guy can take a beating, he is extremely powerful, and I'm really looking forward to this. I can say that CJ Vergara is definitely going to give him a hard time. Fight starts round 3, might be the best pick for this fight, but I have a faith and belief in Azat to win, so I'm saying Azat Maksum to win.